Hi everyone, Lisa Mitchell here. As requested, I wanted to show you how I use the Schema Markup Generator by Merkle right after I publish a post. So I go into WordPress and I grab the URL, and at the same time I open up my Bing Webmaster and Google Search Console so I can index this URL as soon as I get the markup generated. Sorry if my voice is a little bit froggy. I'm just doing this in the morning um, when I usually work on my blog. So what I do is I go to the markup generator and I choose article. For this particular post is an article, and then I go ahead and scroll down. For the article type, I choose a blog posting, and then I paste in the URL. And I like this markup generator because sometimes with the Google Schema Markup Generator, it gives you the shortcut which shows a current version of your post. But if you've updated the post, it might not show your current version. So I've just gotten into the habit of using this one from Merkle. And I just go back and forth from WordPress to Merkle, and I go in and I put in my featured snippet, which I usually have. Sorry, I hope this doesn't make any of you um, motion sick. Anyway, so I usually have my snippet here, and I just go ahead and put that in right here. Short description. Sorry, I got a little bit out of order. So here's my headline, and I just go back and forth and I copy it right from what I have in WordPress. So I'll just try to do this really quickly. I go to my featured image and I grab the URL for that. And, oh, whoops, I didn't get it pasted correctly. Sorry about that. I was trying to go too quickly. There we go. Copy that URL. And then moving on down, I don't fill in all of these, but just enough so that I don't get any errors when I test the schema markup. And so I do put person, and I also make sure to put in the date of publication. So that's it. Then here's my schema markup, and I will go ahead and just click on this copy tool. And there is a quick way to just test it to see if it has any errors in it. So usually it does not, unless I've forgotten to insert something crucial. So I click validate. There are no errors. I've already copied it to my clipboard. So now I just go back to WordPress and I go down to my area where I have my schema markup code. And if you want to know an easy way to do this, it's just a plugin. And it says that it fetches it automatically, but I like to put it in by hand using the schema markup generator, because then I know it has exactly what I want. And then Google will know exactly what my article is about. So I just have this plugin, schema and structured data, and I just paste it in, click custom schema, paste it in here, and then I go back up. I make sure that I update my post with the new schema added in. And right after I finish this, then I go to the Google Search Console, Bing Webmaster Tools, and then I do the request for indexing. I'm not going to go through all that, but there we go. That is ready. And that is what I do to get the schema markup inserted into each blog post. I hope this has been helpful.